It's February 19, 2018, and here's a look at my Clivia plant that's coming into bloom. And I purchased this plant last year, I think last March. So these blooms are all mine. Alright, and you see the flowers here. And this is the orange Belgian hybrid mix that I got from, I think, Monrovia, the company Monrovia. And you have some blossoms on the other side. And excuse the mess in the background. It's spring, so things are kind of crazy. And here are the seed pods that I have from plants that I crossed with last year. And I think they are ready to be harvested. There's another seed pod right there at the bottom. And unlike the blooms last year, the blossoms this year are kind of smaller and closer to the plant. If you could compare this year's blossoms with last year's, they rose above the plant. So I'm not sure how to fix that for next year. Perhaps it didn't get enough cold temperature time to sort of set things up. But I'm still proud that I was actually able to get this to happen anyway. And so that's the plant right here. And the nice orange blossoms. Right there. Now here's the Clivia plant that I had for a few years, and this is the one that I kept outside, and it sort of died. It did produce a new growth, and that new growth is dying right now. So I don't know what happened, but I'm still gonna hold out and tend to it like I need to and see if it produces some more growth. So, but meanwhile, I was able to get seeds from some friends, and I have about 30 other new Clivia plants. It's a lot of plants. So the ones in the front, I actually grew them from seed last year, so I was able to perfect that technique of growing them from seed. And right here's a species. These are all about 1 year of growth. These were sown in that says October 21st, 2017. So that's not actually too long ago actually. And this is all from seed growth. This is one that I had last year that I got from eBay, and these were sown February 16, 2017. So that's actually a year's worth of growth under lights. So they were grown under lights, a fluorescent light, a 4-bulb fixture, I believe. And so this year I think I may take them out. These two right here are just offshoots of the other plant that I had that came into bloom. And these were all given to me as small plants, so I didn't grow these from seed. One of them is supposed to be supposed to have red blossoms, and the rest of them are supposed to have yellow blossoms. But I counted them. There are about 30 plants here, so I'm pretty sure I won't let them all grow. Well, I won't keep them all, but I'll grow them and see. Now these were all essentially grown inside this year, so last year. So this season I'm going to try. Well, actually I'm going to place them outside and see what happens. I may baby the species a little bit because I just want to make sure I tend to them. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm either going to kill them all or not. So I have 30 of them to try them out with. So let's see how it goes. So these are the Clivia seedlings, and it's a learning process. And I guess I have a lot of things to learn with them.